In this video, we will edit some documents using OpenKM Live Edit for Windows. The first step is to check our profile settings to ensure that the Live Edit option is enabled. Once this is done, we select a document and click on the Edit button. We open the link, which will launch the main Live Edit window in the application we will use to edit the selected document, Microsoft Word, in this case. We have made some changes and saved the document. If we check Live Edit, we can see that the plugin captured the change. Then, we close Word and edit a second document, an image. We can see the image queued in the Live Edit window, and in the same way, we edit this file. After closing the application, we observe that Live Edit captured this second change. Next, we will confirm the changes by updating these documents in the repository. But first, we verify the versions of these documents. The first is at version 1.0, as is the second. From Live Edit, we proceed to Update, and if we refresh the interface, we can see that the first document is now at version 1.1, and the same applies to the second document. For more information or any questions, feel free to contact us through our website form or via our social media.